What is up, beautiful people? Dang, I'm white. Now I'm black. Gotta get the perfect lighting. Oh, too sunny. Let's see. There we go. What is up, beautiful people? Today, we're gonna be working on my car again because Jimmy is going on a field trip and Randy is at school because it's a Friday and I don't have school. What I'm doing today is installing these sound deadening mats in my car. Well, not in my car, but outside my car, so I could reduce that drone that you get when you straight pipe your car. That infamous drone around 2K RPM. It's just so crazy. I mean, I can deal with it, but my passengers can't. So let's get right to it. Alright, so we're under the car right now. And what my plan is to remove all these his heat shield, remove all of that, and then put the sound deadening mat behind this. And maybe some up there. And we'll call it a day. Hopefully that works. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that was a pain in the butt. Ooh, alright, so we got the heat shield off. So now we just have all this naked body. Now we're gonna start applying it. Putting on the, no wait, actually, we have to clean this first. So probably get some alcohol cleaner real quick. So it give the mats something clean to clean on. I'm looking at this right now, and right here, under here, I noticed that this carries all the way through the car. So what I'm thinking is taking this plastic off, cover that with the mat, do the same thing on the other side, and hopefully that'll work. Because right now it's just this part right here in the middle, but I feel like if we do this too, it'll maximize that sound deadening. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Ooh, pick the gold though. Ooh, looks so good. I'm surprised no one hate me for this yet. Pretty ricer. Okay, so I got that off. Time to clean this also. Look, my doggy. What are you doing down there, Mooney? What if this whole car drops right now? Oh my goodness, your head is so black. You liking the shade? If you agree, say nothing. Good girl. That's my dog. Her name is Mooney. Someone gave me a new Gorilla Pod. This one is effing up. It's too old. Alright, so I got this whole stack of sound deadening mats. I think it's Narco, whatever it's called. Got a whole stack of it. Got it from Amazon. If you want to try this project out yourself, link to these are in the description. Alright, so measure this out real quick because I just want to make sure it fits. No duh. So this piece, just one sheet, fits perfectly in here. Don't need to do any cutting. Take off the backing. Oh, this thing is really sticky. Alright, let me move you so you can see this better. Can you see that? Yep, there we go. Lay this piece in there. go. Make sure it's on there. Well, good. All right, there we go. It's in there. Now let's put this back up. So that section of the car is done. Now we got this centerpiece to work with. Put this in real quick. Oh, here's the brand. Norco. I mean, that's how you say it. Norco. Alright, so I got everything on. Let's see back here. And now, I'm struggling trying to put this YouTube back on. It's so hot. Alright, sorry about that, guys. The camera died on me, but I got everything on, and now we're gonna go out for a test drive, and hopefully this works. But to be honest, I have really low hope on this working, but we'll see. Let's go. Behind the scenes of how YouTubers make those videos. Well, hey, I think it might have worked. Maybe just a little, about like 30%. Ooh, got some pops. Oh, dang, that actually worked. I mean, obviously you're still gonna get droned, but dang, that worked pretty well. Hey, that's pretty cool. Before, it was just so damn loud around like 2.5, 2.3-ish. But now, see I'm hitting, what is that, 2? Still, it's manageable. The sound decreased by like, I'd say 30-40% maybe. You'll still get droned, but not that much. Oh, hey, look at that. It's a rainbow. It's pretty cool. Want to do a quick cool? F30. Look at that. Oh, droning. Alright, enough playing around. Time to go home. See you guys at home. Alright, so we're back at the house now. And as you can tell, well, I don't know if you can tell or not, but the drone is actually reduced by just a little bit, because I mean, obviously it's not gonna eliminate all of it, but it's fine. I'd expect it to anyways. Just a little project on a weekend project. Oh yeah, if you want to hear an exhaust, wait, actually I'll just do it right now for you. You ready for an exhaust clip? Right now. So I guess that concludes the video for today. I'm tired. It's hot. I'm gonna go for some Korean barbecue right now. That's all for today, boys and gals. I'll see you when I see you. Lates.